Are you ready? Great! Here we go! Heroes, can you hear me? There's some robots on the loose in the factory. They're attracted to movement, so we'll have to show them what a real superhero workout looks like. Once the robots get close enough, we'll use the crane to capture them. I heard one of them is really big, heroes. Alright, let's start with a warm-up. March in place. Good job. Floor and ceiling touch. Good form. Knee grab. And shake it out. Here comes our first customer. Quick, act like a robot, heroes. You guys blend right in. Nicely done, heroes. A few more to go. Alright, straight to business, heroes. Let's start with a run. Good job. Punch kick combo coming up. Here we go. Boom, boom, pow. Great. Keep it moving, heroes. Side to side, up next. Keep your balance on those feet. Dodge, dodge, dodge. Look sharp, heroes. Robots are coming. I knew it. 2-for-1 deal. Blend in, heroes. Gotcha. Time for butt kicks. Remember to take breaks and go at your own pace, heroes. Good job. Knee grab up next. Boom, boom, pow. Oh, we're warmed up now. You got this, heroes. Power squats up next. Go, go, go. Strong legs. Good job. Here we go. Nicely done, heroes. One more to go. Time for jump rope. Keep keep an eye out for that boss robot. He's out there somewhere. You got this, heroes. Did you hear something? There he is, heroes! Quick, act like a robot. He's coming this way. He's almost here. Gotcha. Good job, heroes. Let me just move our new friend into the bin. Uh-oh. The battery's dead. Quick, heroes! We need to charge the crane before the robot breaks free. It's working, heroes! Keep moving! We're almost there. Time to go home, heroes. Get ready for the cooldown stretch. Slow march in place. Remember to drink water, heroes. Knee grab up next. Deep breath in. And breathe out. Again, inhale and exhale. Strike a hero pose. Well done, heroes.